Everyone is talking about AI, but today I'm going to tell you something most people will never say on YouTube. The real challenge is not building the ML model, the real challenge is keeping it alive in production without destroying everything. And I learned this the hard way. In this episode, I am sharing the real story of how my first ML model failed so badly in production that the whole team panicked, and how that incident dragged me straight into the world of MLOps. This is episode 1 of the MLOps series. Let's begin. So, picture this. We deployed a simple machine learning model called text classification. It seemed perfect in development environment. The ML team had 93% accuracy in their notebook. They were celebrating. For the first few days, cool, calm, peaceful. Then suddenly, support tickets started increasing. Predictions were wrong. Customers confused. Managers started asking questions. What happened? And the ML team kept repeating, it works on my notebook. Accuracy is 93%. That sentence, just know, when someone says it works on my notebook, your system is about to explode. We started digging deeper, and slowly the truth came out. The model was trained on clean data, but real customers, they type with spelling mistakes, slang, English, short forms, emojis, abbreviations. The model was shocked. Accuracy dropped 30%. But we didn't know that because no monitoring, no drift detection, no model versioning, no logs for predictions, no metrics tracking, no reproducibility, no CI CD for ML. The model was failing silently. Everything looked green, server was up, CPU normal, API returning 200, but predictions were wrong. This is the most dangerous failure in AI. Now listen carefully, because what I'm about to say will blow your mind. People think AI means building a model. No, that's the easiest part. Let me tell you the raw truth. AI is not equal to ML model. A machine learning model is not AI. It is just a file with some numbers. The world focuses on the brain, but the brain without a body is useless. And that body the heart, lungs, veins, everything. That is MLOps. If you remove MLOps from AI, the model fails silently, accuracy dies, customers complain, business will lose money, engineers will run blindly, managers will panic, and nobody knows what went wrong. Companies don't pay for people who train models, they pay for people who can run AI in production. And this is the real game. And if all this is clicking for you right now, you are already ahead of 90% of engineers. So, like this video, comment MLOps, and subscribe right now because this entire series will shake your understanding of AI. Let's continue. After that incident, we realized something big. Our AI system didn't fail because model was bad. It failed because the system around this particular model did not exist. So later our actual architecture looked like this: raw data, feature pipeline, training, metrics, MLflow, model registry, CI/CD, Docker serving, monitoring, drift alerts, retraining. This wasn't theory, this was built from real pain. We rebuilt everything: MLflow experiment tracking, every metric, every parameter, every model version. Feature pipeline: stable, reproducible, clean features. A CI/CD pipeline that rejects bad model. If accuracy decreases, then the build will stop. Followed by Dockerized fast API serving, predictable and reliable deployments. Then comes monitoring plus drift detection. If customer behavior changes, alert goes to Slack. That's when I understood ML ops is not optional, it is mandatory for AI in real companies. And here's the reality: ML models don't fail like microservices. They don't throw errors, they don't crash the server, they fail silently. And silent failures are the most dangerous in the world of AI. ML Ops is not DevOps 2.0, it's not ML 2.0, it's the bridge between AI dreams and production reality. What this series is really about. Let me be very clear. This is not a theory course. This is not a beginner ML tutorial. This is a real ML ops journey. In this series, we are going to talk about model training, bad accuracy, data drift, retraining workflows, CI/CD for ML, Docker model serving, Prometheus Grafana dashboards, real alerts, real failures, real fixes, full end-to-end simulation, all on your local machine. By episode 10, you will have a portfolio project that companies love. This was episode 1, the real story of how one broken ML model turned me into an MLOps engineer. In episode 2, we are going to rebuild that mistake. We will train a ML model, deploy it, break it on purpose, and start fixing it using proper ML ops. Trust me, you do not want to miss this. Hit like, subscribe, and comment ML ops for episode 2. Welcome to the real world of AI engineering. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.